Hello everyone. Today we'll see if we can measure the Earth radius using a slightly different method than the well-known Eratosthenes, especially in terms of the experiment time. And for that, we're going to use the time when the sun is in the same direction as that of a great circle between two locations. You can use a physical model if you have the proper tools for accuracy, or you can use Google Earth. So let's see how that goes. I chose one of the longest confirmed great circles, which is the flight route from Doha, Qatar to Auckland, New Zealand, which is 9,032 miles. So when the sun azimuth in Doha is the same direction to Auckland, that would be the time to measure the sun's elevation angle on the first location. On that very same moment in Auckland, the sun's azimuth will be the same direction to Doha. So those are my two elevation angles that I'm going to use. So I'll start from Doha. And here is Auckland, and as you see, the angle is around 118 degrees. And now we'll do the opposite. And notice that I leave out the fractions because timeanddate.com doesn't show fractions in some fields. So I'm not going to use these fractions. I'll just round the number. So the direction to Doha from Auckland on a great circle is 273, and that would be the sun azimuth that I'm going to use to get the sun elevation in Auckland at that moment of the experiment. So let's start from Auckland. As you see here, when the sun's azimuth is 273, the sun's elevation is 16 degrees. So that's my first angle. And in Doha, when the sun azimuth was 118, the sun elevation was 32 degrees. So that's the second angle. Now I'll put these angles in a diagram as you see here. And this is just a simple geometry. We can get the angle between the two locations on the circle to be 132 degrees. Now you see the globe is very happy. Using this number, 132 degrees, and the flight route, we get the Earth radius to be 6,305 kilometers. That is 1% difference to the 6,371 kilometers, the well-known number. And when I asked the globe, why are you happy like that? This was his answer.
Because I am better.
At what?
Everything.